Hello everyone, here in this video I am going to solve one issue which I was facing actually. So I seen that in the community there are a lot of people who are also facing the same issue. So the issue is that in the collection pages we have sort by filter, and under this filter we have best selling, alphabetical order, price, low to high and high to low. There are some old to new and new to old, and then default way to display the products. But the demand is that we are interested to display always by default best selling. So how we can do that? So we had one solution, but the problem was that when we are coming up to all collection pages, then that solution was not working for them. So the first solution was that you should go to the dashboard, go to products, and here we have collections. And for say example, I'm interested to put this leggings for say example, or maybe let me do one more thing. Here we have accessories. So I'm clicking on it, and here you can see we have products. So we can select sort by option and click on best selling. And then if we are previewing this screen, so you will see that the default selected option will be, let me show you. Firstly, let me translate this. Actually, this is in different language. And click on sort by, and here you can see that we have best selling. So this is selected by default. But now the issue is when we are coming up and going ahead with all products page, that means shop all page. So here it has no impact. You can see that this is alphabetical order. Let me translate it again. And here you can see that it is by default alphabetical order. So that means this specific collection page may not be updated by using this method. So for other collection pages, you can try this method and definitely this will work. But for all collection pages, I'm going to show you a simple way to solve this. So firstly, you should go back to the dashboard of the store, and here you can see that we have multiple themes, but right now I am working on prestige theme. If you have any other theme, then still this solution will work. So you should click on these three dots and click on edit code. But before that, if you want, you can also duplicate this theme so that you should have a backup of original version. Once you're duplicating it, then you should click on edit code. And here you can see that we have multiple folders and files. So you should open theme.liquid. And inside of it, we have to add a code which I have already created. So firstly, you should find out body tag. So here we have body tag, and below this body tag, we need to paste this code. So I have already created the code. So the code is working like this. So let me explain you a little bit. So actually what I'm doing is, let me save the changes and let me show you the preview, and then you will understand it. So let me see the preview. So here I am now. So for say example, I'm going to collections all page, and let me scroll down, and here you can see that I'm translating it into English. Click on sort by, and this is best selling. So all the best selling products are right now reflecting here. If I'm selecting any other, for example, alphabetical order, so automatically alphabetical order will be applied here. If I'm selecting any other, for example, price, low to high, so you can see that price wise it is also reflecting. So that's how you can actually implement this feature. But if you are coming up to accessories, so you will also see that by default that sort by best selling will be applied. So here you can see that best selling is applied. If I'm coming to the top, so you will also see that if I'm scrolling down, you will see that we have this one. I mean, let me translate it. You can see that best selling is already applied here. So in this way, you will have the solution for all the collections which you have in your Shopify store. So you just need to paste that code, and that's it. And the other way which I had explained before, for example, going to the collection page and manually selecting the sort by option, so that is already working, but that is only applied to specific collection pages, but not for all. So this method is applicable for every theme which you are using, and definitely that will help you out in solving the issue which you was facing before. So thank you so much for watching this video. If this solution works for you, please like this video. Also subscribe this channel if you are new on this channel. So you can follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. So if you have any problem or you have any new feature to create, so you can ask me below in the comment section. I will definitely upload that video for the problem which you are facing. So thank you so much once again. See you in the next video.